It's time now for WeLearn, a look at how teachers and students are using technology in the classroom. I'm Nick Voll. Students at Vancouver iTech Preparatory are working to preserve local history, and they're getting some help from all the way across the country. This project began more than a year ago, and now students have the results in their hands. It's an exciting day in John Zingali's classroom at Vancouver iTech Preparatory. Students are anticipating the opening of this box. Inside, the results of over a year's worth of work. Last year, in a partnership with the Fort Vancouver National Historic Site, students got their hands on some historic trash.
Fort Vancouver, like in the olden days, they just throw their garbage outside the walls, and then Fort Vancouver just dug this up, and so.
A lot of the things that they had, I would never see today.
Next, they made 3D scans of the artifacts.
We had it down on this table, on this kind of mat thing, and then we used a special program with an iPad.
It was painstaking work, requiring patience and a steady hand.
So it took, a few tries, but, it eventually came out just right.
The iPad app mapped out virtual reality replicas, which went on display in an online museum.
It's weird to think that this has become something so much greater. This has been seen in over 20 countries.
One group who saw it was the nonprofit Washington, D.C.-based Youth Quest Foundation. They used iTech scans with their 3D printer to make replicas of the original artifacts. The teams shipped their replicas to Vancouver, and finally, iTech students got a look.
It's really interesting, the whole process that it went through, and now it's back here, but it's not the real thing. It's really cool.
Replicas like these can allow visually impaired people to feel artifacts they can't see. The online museum allows anyone, anywhere, to get a glimpse of our region's history.
Technology just opens up so many new opportunities that historians 10 or 20 years ago would never have even been able to dream of.
And this project opened up opportunities for students.
It really communicates to the kids how they really can change the world with just the click of a button and the spin of a camera.
And if you want to take the virtual museum tour, it's easy to find on Google. The web address is just a little long, so instead type Fort Vancouver Virtual Reality into the search bar, and it's the first option that pops up. If you want to see more stories about classroom technology and how it's shaping learning in Vancouver Public Schools, check out the district's YouTube page. That's youtube.com/VanSDTV. Just look up the WeLearn playlist. And while you're on social media, why not connect with Vancouver Public Schools? We are on YouTube, of course, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Until next time, I'm Nick Voll.